times when the sky would bring me nothing except the smell of the rain at summertime. So I left my window open just to let you come inside, saying that you'd never leave me was a lie. Then there were times that my eyes were filled with water, but all the world was desert dry. So I hugged my pillow closer and I tried to close my eyes, but the sound of distant thunder made me cry. Late in